So here's my YouTube channel, and I got this is one of my YouTube channels, and I got a bunch of review videos on them. And so here's the one for the light up desk, and that's what I had done before. So there's the commercial, there's the ad that gets played before my video. I'm going to get a commission if someone clicks the ad. I get a commission on that. So now down here is the affiliate link. Now they click that, it's going to bring them to Amazon. So you click that, and then it brings you right to this page when you click that link. All right, and then they would buy it, and I would get an affiliate commission. All right, so that's affiliate marketing using YouTube. Okay, putting an affiliate link into the description, and you can make videos on whatever it is. Could be a chainsaw, could be a toaster, could be whatever it is, and you know the lighting system that I just had, and then that link brings you to the lighting system. Now here's the beauty. I told you about the cookies, right? So once you send traffic to Amazon, anything they buy within 24 hours, you get a commission for, not just what you sent them for. Whatever they push that link, whatever they click that link, they went to Amazon for driving the traffic there. You're going to get anything they buy 24 hours, you're going to get a commission on. All right. So that's why people, and here it is too, you're using Amazon's name. Now, Amazon is the big kahuna. You know, nobody worries about putting their credit card in when they shop on Amazon. Matter of fact, when they go to Amazon, they're looking forward to using their credit card. They got their credit card out already because they have the intent to buy when they go to Amazon, right? So people click the link, go to Amazon, and they're welcome there. They feel like, okay, I can trust this website. I can buy something. It's not like you're sending them to some third-party website, you know. So don't get confused, you know, with different affiliate programs. Amazon is like I said, it's the big player. You know, it's you're using the name. You're piggybacking the Amazon name in order to make money, to leverage their name, and it works really well.